This is Project Jofran, an ECD 110. Jofran is painted in full gloss Arles blue exterior with black accents all round. This 110 sits on 18-inch diamond finish sawtooth wheels and BFG all-terrain tyres. Project Jofran also features a 6-point external roll cage with 2 rear LED work lights and an aircon winch bumper and winch. The inside of this 110 features a black headliner, Momo Prototipio custom leather wrapped steering wheel in Auburn with all American gauges. It features 2 Puma modular front seats, a Puma 60/40 split mid-row and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the rear. Each seat is wrapped and stitched in diamond Auburn leather. This D110 also features brushed aluminium door furniture and a colour-matched centre fascia, which gives the vehicle a thoroughly modern feel inside the cabin. Jofran is powered by a 430 horsepower LS3 engine and 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 is packed with an array of modern conveniences. It features our premium gel audio amplified sound system, Apple and Android compatible CarPlay, and numerous USB charging points throughout the cabin. Jofran is a perfect daily vehicle for the entire family.